Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Vision of the Seas. We're here on deck 10 on the jogging track. Let's check it out. Off to the right side, you can see the pool deck. Down here's the Lido deck. There you go. It's a beautiful day today here in St. Croix. We're moved up the port side of the ship. All right. It's a wonderful day, beautiful day here in the Caribbean. The pool is empty, the hot tub's empty. Wow. Perfect time to catch some rays. A little breezy today, but breeze in the Caribbean is very welcome. Appreciate the breeze. Sorry about the wind noise, but let me tell you though, the breeze feels wonderful. Up ahead here is shuffleboard, although I've never actually seen anyone play shuffleboard, other than the occasional kids smacking little pucks around. I wonder, where do you learn to play shuffleboard? I mean, I've only seen it on cruise ships. All right, we're here at the bow. Let's take a look. Check out the port. Beautiful day. Just wonderful. More shuffleboard. There's plenty of these empty lounge chairs. Take another peek into the Lido deck, the pool deck. Look at this. Awesome. Just awesome. Oh. And of course, more empty lounge chairs. Lots of pool chairs here. No chair hogs out today. Guess they're all in port. And here's me, in case you forgot what I look like. Off to the right here, this is the Solarium. Check it out. The Solarium roof is open. Yeah. Beautiful day. The Solarium roof is open. Enjoy that wonderful Caribbean sun. Whew. And of course, more shuffleboard. As you come around the aft to the starboard side of the ship, here at the very back, what do we find? There's actually a rock climbing wall. Yeah. There it is, a rock climbing wall. Although I've never actually seen anybody on the rock climbing wall, they do have one here at the back of the ship. Start there, and end up all the way up there. Quite the climb. So if you're adventurous, there you go. Check out the rock climbing wall. All right. All right, we'll head up the port side of the ship again. And here we are at the pool deck once again. All right. Whew. Quite the breeze here. Let's head down. All right. Around the stairs. Down here to the pool deck. Kind of surprised there's no one in the pool. Such a beautiful day here. Should be lots of people in the pool, but instead, no one. No one in the hot tubs either. That's crazy. Well, there it is. Okay. Let's head towards the back of the ship. What's back there? Well, let me show you. All right. All right. Here on deck 9 at the back of the ship is the Solarium and Vitality Spa. A Solarium is for guests aged 18 and up. Used to be 16 and up, and now it's 18 and up. Solarium is typically quite quiet. Good place to hang, lounge around, read a book, jump into the pool. Got pools, got hot tubs, got lifeguards, more hot tubs, got its own bar. Got dragons.
Hello.
Hello.
Janice from Philippines.
Hello. Hi, Janice.
Hello, sir.
Oh, the super friendly crew, the staff, so it makes cruising fun. Got snacks. Also, they have late night eats here. And here they have the Vitality Spa and the fitness center. Alright, we'll head up the stairs. Up here, the fitness center. They got plenty of free weights, lots of modern machinery. Help burn off that extra dessert you had last night. They do classes up here. It's really nice to have all this modern machinery. Yeah. So that way you can actually lose weight on your cruise. Alright. And this is me, Mystery Shadow 1969. I'm coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Vision of the Seas. Hopefully you like this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate that. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hopefully I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.